go. UAV 3000, new landing gear, part 2, pretty much finished. Quite happy with it, worked out good. Dig in the front, I reckon that looks awesome. I know the original MQ9 Reaper or whatever it's called doesn't have the twin on the front, but I think that looks pretty cool. That little piece there is actually this, which is some carbon spar out of an old plane that I crashed, which doesn't look very strong, but pretty tough stuff. And it slid perfectly into that aluminium strut. I had to drill out up there to 5mm. Everything else just fitted like a breeze. Like I say, quite happy. Worked out good.